One meal a day. It's one of the most popular ways to lose weight fast. But here's the problem. Most people do it completely wrong. They make the same 5 mistakes over and over again. And those mistakes, they stop you from losing weight, destroy your energy, and can even hurt your metabolism. Today, I'm going to show you the 5 biggest OMAD mistakes and exactly how to fix them. Let's get into it. The biggest mistake people make with OMAD? They think, I only eat one meal a day, so I can eat whatever I want. Pizza, burgers, fries, soda, dessert, all in one meal. Here's the truth. OMAD is not a magic trick. Calories still matter. If your one meal is 3,000 calories of junk food, you will not lose weight. You might even gain weight. The fix? Focus on nutrient-dense whole foods. Protein, healthy fats, vegetables, complex carbs. Your one meal should be balanced, not a cheat meal every day. The opposite mistake? Eating way too little. Some people think, if one meal is good, then a tiny meal is better. They eat a salad with some chicken and call it a day. That's maybe 500 calories. Here's what happens. Your metabolism slows down. You feel tired, weak, and irritable. You lose muscle instead of fat. The fix? Eat enough calories. For most people, that's 1,500 to 2,000 calories in your one meal. Listen to your body. If you feel weak or dizzy, eat more. This one is surprisingly common. When you eat only one meal a day, you're also getting less water from food. Most people forget to drink enough water throughout the day. Result? Headaches, fatigue, constipation, and even kidney stress. The fix? Drink water consistently throughout the day. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses. Add a pinch of salt to your water for electrolytes. Herbal tea and black coffee also count. Here's something most people don't think about. When you switch to OMAD, your energy levels change. Your body is running on stored fat instead of food. If you keep working out the same way, especially intense cardio or heavy lifting, you might feel weak or dizzy. The fix? Adjust your workout timing. Some people do best working out right before their meal, fasted workout. Others do better a few hours after eating. Listen to your body. If you feel weak, reduce intensity or change your workout time. The first week of OMAD is hard. Headaches, hunger, irritability, low energy. Most people quit in the first 3 to 5 days. They think, this isn't for me, my body can't handle it. But here's the truth. That first week is just your body adapting. It's called the transition phase, and it passes. The fix? Give it at least 10 to 14 days. The first week is the hardest. By week 2, your energy returns, hunger disappears, mental clarity improves. Don't judge OMAD by the first week. Let me quickly recap. Mistake? Fix. Eating anything you want? Focus on whole foods. Not eating enough? Eat 1,500 to 2,000 calories. Not drinking water? 8 to 10 glasses plus electrolytes. Not adjusting workouts? Time your meal right. Quitting too early? Give it 10 to 14 days. Fix these 5 mistakes and OMAD will work for you. Here's a bonus tip. Don't go from 3 meals to OMAD overnight. Ease into it. Week 1, 16-8 intermittent fasting. Week 2, 18-6 fasting. Week 3, 24 fasting. Week 4, OMAD. This gives your body time to adapt. You'll avoid most of the side effects. OMAD isn't for everyone. Avoid OMAD if you have diabetes or blood sugar issues, if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, if you have a history of eating disorders, if you're underweight, or if you're an athlete with high energy needs. Always talk to your doctor before starting any fasting routine. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried OMAD before? Which mistake did you make? What helped you get through the first week? Drop a comment below. I read every single one. And if you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button. OMAD can be an amazing tool for weight loss and mental clarity, but only if you do it right. Avoid these 5 mistakes, ease into it, listen to your body, and you'll see results. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.